should be less bumpy here in just a second. There we go.
There it is.
All right.
Alright guys, we're back with another video.
Yep.
We have a really exciting one for you guys today.
We're in the car, about 15 minutes away from where we're going, and we're looking to get in another project. And
this one is a really exciting one. We're particularly excited about this one.
It's an exciting one. It's another one that needs a motor, and it may or may not have something to do with the red one.
Yeah.
There's some kind of a connection there with the red one, so we'll be there in just a minute, and we'll show you.
Yeah. So give it about what, 15 minutes you said?
Yeah, 15 minutes, but for you guys it's like, 1 second.
Yeah. Alright, we'll be right back.
Yeah, we'll be right back. Oh look, this I forgot to show you. This car has joined the Big Boy Club. We got the good old 200,000 mile mark there.
You guys can see that.
Yeah. So this thing is getting up there. Southern car, it's always been in South Carolina, so it's just as good a condition as that red one as far as mileage goes.
What year was this?
04.
04, nice.
Yeah. So I got an oil leak on this one, but it still does road trips and it still picks up parts.
Yeah.
So
we love our wagons.
Yeah.
Might as well call us wagon addicts.
There's so much room back there, dude. To lay the seats down.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's great. It's a big toaster.
Yeah, it's fantastic. There's so much space in here.
I belong to you.
I belong to you.
Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else.
Yeah. Let you down.
Should be less bumpy here in just a second. Here we go.
There it is.
All right.
Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push over the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push over the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push over the limits with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push over the limits with you right now. Right now, get it right now, right now, get it right now, get it right now. Yeah, push over the limits with you right now.
The next day.
Alright guys, here she is. She just arrived. She is looking great, especially under the sunlight. Holy cow. I still can't believe we bought this car. It's so awesome. Great looking. I mean, would you look at that? Beautiful Enkei 18 by 10.5, I believe. Right there. Beautiful carbon piece. Side skirts, or side skirt extensions. APR carbon. Wing. Carbon fiber. Bumper extensions, or whatever you want to call them. Tomei titanium exhaust. This thing is just beautiful. Beautiful. That's beautiful too. All right, here she comes. And just like that, she's on the driveway.
Let's just do it again and see if we can do the approach better.
Alright, you get a Corona.
Alright.
Awesome.
I'll take my payment in cash. The driver always makes the most. Hey, how are you?
Unfortunately, she's going to sit here for a little bit while we finish up the Silver WRX. We're just going to have to replace the clutch on that and then replace the transmission fluid and everything else. And once that's done, we will just hop on this guy. By the way, some of the parts from this car is going to be for sale. If any of you is interested with any parts that you have seen in this video, send us an email at sales@projectaddicts.com.
Alright, so we got this thing in the driveway. Pretty much, we just got to start going through parts here. We're probably going to have quite a few things that we're probably going to sell off. I don't know that we're going to be pushing any power with this. It's probably just going to be, you know, modest modifications, reliability mods and things like that. Like, we're not doing a front mount, we're not doing a huge turbo or anything.
We're still going to make a decision whether we want to put the IAG block or the stock block.
Yeah,
right?
we may put the stage 2 block in. We may just buy a full drop-in engine, intake manifold, turbo already mounted, and just throw it in. This thing would be ready way faster if we did that.
Guys, go ahead and put it in the comments below. Just let us know what would be the best way to approach this car. Put the, you know, buy a stock long block and put it in, or we have an IAG stage 2 short block, which we have to get heads.
We have heads for my car because I have. Yeah, I have heads already purchased, built heads, and I have the stock ones for my car.
Yeah.
So we have enough to do it from scratch.
Yeah. So comment down below. See what would be the best way to approach
Some people
this.
selling it. Some people might want the built block because the ringland issues that generally happens. But we'd be getting a motor from one of the newer STIs, so I don't know that is it still a problem. I feel like that was only a problem with the GR style.
Yeah.
Once they went to the 2015s, I don't think they really have that kind of problem anymore. But I could be wrong. But anyway, that's something we have to decide what we're going to do. But yeah, we're probably gonna have a turbo for sale. We're gonna have an oil cooler for sale. There's all sorts of stuff, man. We gotta go through the interior here, take everything out, take pictures, categorize it, put it up in the attic for now.
Yeah, if you guys are interested in any of the parts you've seen on the car, shoot us an email. We'll put our email in the description box below. Send us an email and then we'll reply you guys with.
You could message us on Facebook as well.
Yeah. Yeah. If you guys are following us on the Project Addicts at Facebook, shoot us a message on the messenger.
Yeah,
we'll get back to you with a price.
Yeah, definitely.
There are a lot of carbon bits.
A lot of carbon stuff. I might be keeping some of it because depending on the condition of some of this stuff, but all the carbon stuff needs to be re-clear coated, so we're going to be sending all that off to hopefully save as much of it as we can because the wing it's only gel coat. If you don't clear coat this stuff, it just fails.
Yeah, unfortunately it sat outside for 3 years.
Yeah.
So carbon
he took a lot of the
stuff
carbon off, but before that it was in the sun when he was using it, so it doesn't take long, man. Maybe a year and your carbon starts looking like hell already. So but I think this is going to be kind of on hold. We're going to probably sell some parts, buy some parts, try to get everything kind of ready, but in the meantime we're going to finish the silver car. All we did was wash him so far and clean it, so we're going to go ahead and do the clutch on the silver bug eye there. Pretty much that's all it needs. We might do timing components just so the motor's ready to go for like another 100K. And check for leaks and just look for anything else we need, little stuff.
So just a heads up, this guy would be for sale soon. If you guys are interested, again, shoot us an email in the description box below. We don't know how much yet, but yeah, it'll be for sale soon.
I don't think we're gonna have too much into that. It depends what we run into engine-wise. If we see oil leaks, valve cover seals, things like that, we may have to buy more things. But beyond that, we're gonna do that one first, and then this guy will go in while we're parts gathering, and then once we're ready for this, we'll pull it in. We'll make a decision on the engine depending on what you guys think we should do. So I guess that's it. We're gonna finish the steering rack on my STI. That'll be just another little side video. Just go ahead and finish that with the white line components, ball joints, and outer tie rods and stuff. We gotta put all that stuff together.
The parts came in, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I had those. Those were from the bug eye that we parted out.
Okay.
I had them on the old car, so yeah. So I don't know if we mentioned, but I think we mentioned this. This car and the red one were both from Lance. He had 2 Subarus.
I think we might have in between conversation. Yeah.
So, but yeah, that pretty much wraps it up for this video. Just a quick introduction, and we'll do a quick B-roll here of just some of the parts that are kind of stuffed inside, and we'll hopefully categorize them here in the next day or so. But that's it, and I guess we'll see you guys in the next episode.
Yep, sounds good. Give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and feed the addiction with Project Cars. Yeah. Stay tuned, and peace out.
I'm spinning outside the window.